Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be installing some new lights here in a building. We're going to be removing some of these state-of-the-art fluorescent light fixtures, as you can see behind me. We're going to be removing those and installing these guys here. Come along with me while I make a mess of some fluorescent light fixtures. Probably drop some of these 8-foot fixtures on the ground. You never know. Anyways. Okay, got all the lights removed. Now we're going to set up a laser and get a straight line going to install the new lights. Here we go, we're going to start the cleanup. Okay, so I'm going to take some of this surface conduit and I'm going to cut it, place it right there, and then we'll be all finished.